Hello, my name is Anghie López. In these videos, I want to share my progress in the English course. At the beginning of this course, I set out to improve my grammar, expand my vocabulary, become more disciplined, and gain confidence when I speak English. I wanted to master topics such as the simple present and simple past, learn past tense verbs, and vocabulary related to professions, transportation, daily activities, countries, typical foods, and more. The topics covered in this course greatly helped me develop my communication skill. Using the simple present helped me tell about routines and daily activities. For example, I wake up 7 a.m. or she goes to work by bus. I help me describe what I usually do at work, my habits, my free time, and it also helped me express likes and preference. Example, I like pizza. Or he doesn't like watching TV. I was able to communicate what I like or don't like, which is very useful in everyday conversations, and I learned how to form basic questions. Example, do you play soccer? Do she speak English? And I also learned how to make comparisons between people, places, or things. Example, my car is faster than yours. This movie is more interesting than the last one. And thanks to this, I could clearly express difference in its speak size, quality, and price. I expanded my described vocabulary with words like, for example, tajir, cheaper, more beautiful, better, and worse. This helped me describe with more detail and accuracy. Improving communication in real situations. For example, to compare food, the beans in frijolada are better than those in bandeja paisa. Or to compare transportation, the subway is faster than the bus. In this unit, I learned words like delicious, subway, train, oyster, farofa, black bean, stew, and directions and phrases. I learned how to say the next stop is, or no we are at, or I'm visiting and swimming in, or I'm admiring and exploring the beautiful beaches. Thanks to this, I can compare places, foods, and transportations methods, which is useful in real life conversations. Activities evidence. The simple past. Help me tell about past experience and actions. Example, your determination and perseverance will take you far, and above all, you shouldn't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. I allow it me to tell stories, events, or activities that are already happening, something fundamental for sharing personal experience and improving my ability to narrate. I could organize my ideas over time and say when something happened using expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, and I learned past tense verbs such as regular verbs work is worked and play is played, or irregular verbs, for example, go is went and eat is ate. This helped me expand my vocabulary, use the correct words depending on the context, and learn when to add ed to words. Simple past and the use of should and shouldn't. Now I can tell about past experience. I also learned how to give advice using should. For example, shouldn't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. There are people who support you and want to see you succeed. And this helped me express more completer and personal ideas. All of this has helped me a lot in my daily life. For example, I'm cooking rice with kitchen, I'm cutting the potatoes, I'm making juice. The most valuable thing was I learning through dynamic activities, creating slides, and using study materials that are creating myself. This really helped me expand my vocabulary and my pronunciation, breathing, and communication skill improved greatly. At the beginning, I was a bit worried because I didn't know how to do the activities and whether I will understand the text or if the vocabulary will be too hard, but it was the opposite. I learned a lot in this course. All the study materials helped me reach my goal, and the course also helped me be more responsible with my activities. Websites that help me. First, also activities. These were very useful because the exercise and explanations helped me understand better and successfully complete my tasks. Quizlet. It was useful for creating study materials and learning vocabulary using flashcards. And the adaptive quizzes were also helpful for evaluating my learning. Prezi help me creative, dynamic, and attractive presentations. Word reference help me translate and correctly write on noun words. Canva help me design attractive and pleasant slides for activities that require presentations. And Duolingo helped me a lot because it's easy to use and very fun. With its exercise, I improved my vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. To conclude, this course helped me a lot in my personal linguistic and communicative development. I worked on my confidence when communicative, learn a lot of vocabulary, learn how to conjugate verbs, creative, dynamic, and attractive presentations, be responsible and reach my goals. I want to overcome all obstacles and keep finding ways to improve and keep practicing this language. This expands my opportunities for autonomous and continuous learning. In my professional life, English will be a fundamental tool as many companies value employees who can communicate with clients or colleagues from other countries. It will also help me understand instructions in English and make me more competitive and prepared to face new challenges. Additionally, developing the ability to communicate clearly and me to participate more confidently in job interviews, training, or presentation in bilingual every moments. Finally, the progress I made in this course motivated me to continue learning and improving. It showed me that with constant practice and the use of good tools, and I can achieve a functional level of in English that will open doors for me now and in the future. Thank you for watching my final presentation and see you later. Goodbye.